Sorrow Birds by Robin Smith. Illustrated by Embla Granquist. A sad thing happens. Hope watches the rain. Hope sees a crow splashing in the puddles. She splashes with him and feels a bit better. The next day, a sparrow visits the garden. The sparrow is scattering seeds. Hope plants seeds too. The next morning, Hope sees a robin hopping across the grass. Hope finds a friend for a game of hopscotch. Some birds like to fly at night. What's he looking for? Mice. Hope watches the owl. Like the owl, she studies the sky. Maybe she's a night owl too. Hope hears tap, tap, tapping. What can it be? Can you see? Hope taps in a nail to hold the birdhouse. She paints the birdhouse a bright blue. Hope sees a small yellow bird, a hummingbird. The little bird is having lots of fun. Hope is having fun too. Hope has a tea party. A chatty blue jay invites himself. On Sunday, a bright red songbird follows Hope to church. She sings loud and clear. In quiet talks with Mom, Hope shares how she feels. Today, the birds come to say goodbye. The robin winks in farewell. Hope watches the birds fly. The birds fly up and away, off to cheer others. Hope will not forget the birds. Sometimes, when she's lucky, she finds a crow to dance with.